Got a good copy.
All of a sudden, that thing will just explode, too.
I saw it running near your lap.
Oh, shit. White shark?
Little dirty, little dirty.
No, it just blew up. Oh, my God. Somebody caught that.
I got some gas.
I caught that all on video.
Are you fucking serious? You got a spleen blowing up?
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
It's gonna sink. This was a National Geographic event.
I got that on video.
Are you serious? Are you still videoing?
God, I was hoping that was a shark.
I thought it was, dude. I just said, like, this thing could explode at any moment.